Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Universiti Sains Malaysia, a member of the IMT-GT UNINET, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand Growth Triangle University Network, it gives me great pleasure to invite all of you to the 13th IMT-GT UNINET Bioscience International Conference 2022. USM is proud to be co-hosting this conference alongside with Prince of Songkla University and Universitas Syiah Kuala. This conference is mainly aimed to foster collaboration between IMT-GT community through knowledge exchange on bio-circular green economy concept to promote the UN Sustainable Development Goals. USM is pleased to share that we are ranked number 4 in the world under the Times Higher Education Impact Ranking for SDG, and this such conference would be a great catalyst to further strive on making our IMT-GT to be more sustainable now and future. The Asian continent, especially Southeast Asia, is the global hotspot for biodiversity. This area is recognized as the global concentration of biosciences. Southeast Asian diversities are often described as the ecosystem with the highest levels of biodiversity, which serve many functions and form the core of livelihood for sustenance in several industries. This area, however, is under threat due to unsustainable resource exploitation and environmental degradation. Recognizing threats to the environment, there is a strong need to educate the public about biodiversity and its potentials through biosciences. Precise documentation will allow for the informed conservation and for the management of resources. While recognizing the importance of expertise and assistance from global initiative and researchers from beyond this area, I'm delighted that this conference will see bio-circular green or BCG to be comprehensively and extensively discussed. I believe that this would lay the foundation for more collaboration and coordinated projects from within the home ground of these rich biodiversity regions. Data sharing among ASEAN countries and beyond, appropriate methods to identify the drivers on biodiversity and biodiversity hotspot for better conservation of the system are goals to be achieved through this conference. I hope that all of you will find time to enjoy this conference and enjoy Songkla. To all participants, I wish you all to come and join us in this exciting and fruitful conference. Take care and be safe. Thank you so much.